Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It's my sincere request to the central government to make up proper amendments to the COTPA Act, which is suggested by all the NGOs who are working in this tobacco field, because that will help in reducing the burden of tobacco deaths in the country. Because we have seen that since the inception of COTPA, there is almost 6% drop in tobacco consumptions all over India, which is a huge number in terms of the number game. Vendor licensing is a state subject, but Centre has issued a guidelines. I request all the states also to take this very sincerely and do this vendor licensing so that they have a proper data is where this how much tobacco is being sold. Also important part is to control the in and around the school licensing, which so that the children or the students are not coming in easily available this tobacco sticks or in chewing also. And my last request is to have a proper increase in taxation on the tobacco or products, all tobacco products, so that government gets a huge amount of money which can be used in this COVID times on the treatment of the COVID. If you are a smoker and if you get a COVID and if your lungs are involved, then only God can save you.